Hello, hi, all the project management aspirants. Today, it's the second video of the lecture series of monitoring and controlling your schedule. I'm your teacher, Mohammad 𝐂𝐎𝐍𝐍𝐄𝐓. For all the videos that you are guys watching, please watch the all videos and please subscribe to my channel so that I may continue producing such valuable content for you guys. For any training regarding project management, Primavera or Microsoft project, please contact at the given number. So, my name is Mohammad 𝐂𝐎𝐍𝐶𝐄𝐓. I did my bachelor's in engineering and master's in project management. I hold around 13 years of diversified project management experience in oil and gas, steel plants, renewables, and grid projects. If you are looking for project management training, interview preparation, Primavera or MS project training, please feel free to contact me at the given number or at the given email ID, which is saud.arif@hotmail.com. Now, who will benefit from this course? Aspiring project managers, practicing project managers, beginner in project management, students enrolled in project management programs. What we will learn in this particular lecture. Number one, how project managers can focus on monitoring and controlling of project. Number two, what results will they get if they comply with monitoring and controlling practices. Now, what are the standard steps for monitoring, tracking, and controlling your project schedule? Step number one, compare your project performance with the planned performance. Step number two, if there's a slippage, report this performance to senior management and all stakeholders of the project. Step number three, after communicating the project roadblocks to senior management, seek their guidance on how to minimize it. Step number four, initiate the change request. Step number five, take corrective action to bring the schedule in line within the plan. What are the benefits if the project schedules comes in line with the plan? These are the benefits that I'll be discussing. Step one, timely closure of project. Step two, the project is managed within the budget. Step three, all resources are effectively utilized. Step four, improves customer satisfaction. Thank you for watching the complete video. If you feel like you want another video like this, please leave a feedback in this video and please share with all your friends and family. Continue to support me. Please subscribe and like all my channel and my videos. Thank you. Take care. Bye.